Today, we're diving into the world of skincare with a recently trending topic: natural alternatives to petroleum jelly. So get ready to discover some fantastic alternatives that are better for you and the environment. Introduction to petroleum jelly. First off, let's talk about what petroleum jelly is and why some people might be seeking alternatives. Petroleum jelly, also known as petrolatum, is a byproduct of oil refining. While it's been a staple in many households for its moisturizing properties, some individuals prefer to avoid it due to concerns about its origin and potential impacts on the skin and the environment. Natural alternatives. Fear not, because there are plenty of natural alternatives that can provide similar benefits without the drawbacks of petroleum jelly. Let's explore some of my favorites. 1. Beeswax. This natural substance derived from beehives is rich in vitamin A and helps create a protective barrier on the skin, just like petroleum jelly. 2. Coconut oil. With its moisturizing and antibacterial properties, coconut oil is a versatile alternative that can be used for everything from dry skin to minor cuts and scrapes. 3. Shea butter. Extracted from the nuts of the shea tree, shea butter is incredibly nourishing and has anti-inflammatory properties, making it a fantastic option for soothing and hydrating the skin. 4. Cocoa butter. Another excellent choice. Cocoa butter is packed with antioxidants and has a rich, creamy texture that's perfect for moisturizing dry skin. DIY recipes. Now, if you're feeling crafty, why not try making your own natural petroleum jelly alternatives? I've got a couple of simple recipes to share with you. 1. DIY beeswax balm. Ingredients: beeswax pellets, coconut oil, shea butter. Instructions: melt equal parts of beeswax, coconut oil, and shea butter in a double boiler. Once melted, pour the mixture into small containers and let it cool and solidify. 2. Homemade cocoa butter salve. Ingredients: cocoa butter, almond oil, vitamin E oil. Instructions: melt cocoa butter in a double boiler, then stir in almond oil and a few drops of vitamin E oil. Pour the mixture into containers and allow it to set. Natural alternatives to petroleum jelly that are not only great for your skin, but also better for the planet. Whether you choose to purchase ready-made products or whip up your own DIY creations, incorporating these alternatives into your skincare routine can make a world of difference. Environmental impact. Let's touch on the environmental implications of using petroleum jelly versus natural alternatives. Petroleum jelly is derived from non-renewable resources, and its production contributes to pollution and greenhouse gas emissions. Additionally, its long-lasting nature means it can persist in the environment for years, posing a threat to wildlife if not disposed of properly. By choosing natural alternatives, you're not only prioritizing your own health, but also doing your part to reduce your carbon footprint and protect our planet for future generations. Community Spotlight. If you're passionate about natural skincare like I am, consider getting involved or supporting their cause. Together, we can create a brighter, greener future for all. Before we wrap up, here are a couple of quick tips. Always do a patch test before trying a new product to ensure you don't have any adverse reactions. Consider your individual skin type and needs when selecting a natural alternative. And remember, embracing natural skincare is not only beneficial for you, but also contributes to a healthier environment. Thank you so much for joining me today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more eco-friendly tips and tricks. Until next time, take care and stay naturally beautiful.